2022 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 74,000 miles on the odometer, this minivan delivers safety and comfort to its passengers. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, rear air conditioning. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.